How to see private account photos on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how to see private photos of Instagram users. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Go ahead and search for the user that you are trying to see the pictures of. Now, in order to see their picture, the only way you can see it is by tapping on this follow request button. And in case you don't want them to see that you have sent follow request, then create a fake ID and do so. And in case you would just like to see the profile picture of their Instagram account, take a screenshot of this page and go into your gallery section and zoom into their profile to view their photo. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.